we adopt a holistic approach to ensure that our development planning does not compromise the needs of future generations. This also means we stop seeing issues in boxes and silos and learn to decision make in a broader context. Thirdly, we're talking about resilience every day, especially after the great flood of 2022 when Pakistan learned many lessons on vulnerability. And resilience really means for us, from national to local lives, how they're lived, but it also means in today's context, an integrated management which strengthens resilience against climate change, economic volatility, and geopolitical instability. At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we also need to address the challenges in the OIC countries. They face unique challenges in managing this nexus because many of the member states are in arid and semi-arid climates, limited water resources, and rapidly growing populations. Pakistan is one of them. These challenges are further compounded by political instability and economic constraints. 4 of these challenges are important to be shared and addressed, and I'm sure that this august group of scientists will, of course, unpack these at length and with great excellence as science dictates. One is obviously water scarcity. The other is energy access and sustainability. The third is food security and ecosystem preservation. I think we have mentioned competing interests in all of these areas, and I will not take too much of your time, but I think it's important to send the message of the President that he believes that achieving food security amidst climate change and limited arable land requires serious innovation in agricultural practices, including smart agriculture and biotechnology. The ecosystem is, of course, what holds this together, and we are focused on protecting our ecosystem as vital for the services it provides, such as water purification, flood control, and biodiversity. The same for water security, where we will need to, as OIC countries, manage our water much better, including technologies such as desalination, wastewater treatment, and rainwater harvesting. Why we say that is because water is seen in many populations as an infinite resource, which it is not. Water and groundwater as well, including surface water, is a finite resource. And all our future generations, as well as all of us, and leaders in this room need to understand that water needs to be conserved and treated as something that nature has endowed to us, and something that, as a resource, we need to respect. Now, energy access and sustainability is at great debate all over the world in all the multilateral conferences. And we feel that ensuring access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy is essential, because investing in renewable energy sources like wind, power, and hydro are the path forward. As you know, Pakistan has made a commitment in its nationally determined contributions at all the Conference of Parties to going 50% renewable by the year 2030. And I think this is a path that many countries in their net zero commitments have made, but we do need to collaborate together to make the energy transitions possible and just. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to congratulate both the academies, Pakistan as well as the Islamic World Academy, for organizing this important conference.